Welcome back to Sweet and Savory Barbecue. I'm your host, Jamie Trader. Today we're going to be making bacon jalapeno cheddar burgers on our PK grill. Let's get started. So to get started, we've got our ground beef here in our aluminum pan. I'm just going to use a little bit of Lowry seasoning salt just to kind of get some flavor inside. Give that a little bit of a mix. Don't want to go too crazy mixing, just enough to get it incorporated. And then I've got about one whole jalapeno here. We're going to mix that in to our burgers. You can use 80-20, 90-10, whatever. I'm going for a little bit leaner burger, so this is actually 93.7. And then what we're going to do is just kind of divide this into 4 equal parts, as equal as you can get them. And then I'm going to roll it into a ball. And then kind of press it out into a patty. Do that with the other 3, and then I'm going to go ahead and get these seasoned. Then while we're getting our grill fired up, we're going to pop them into the fridge. For your jalapenos, if you want your burgers a little bit spicier, go ahead and leave those seeds in. If you want them a little less spicy, you can just take them out. I'm going to use my Sweet and Savory O.G rub here for some seasoning on these. About a medium coat or so, starting with the bottoms. Keep our tops nice and pretty. And then we're going to get our tops. Again, these are going to go in the fridge while we get our grill fired up. If your grill's ready to go when you're making these, you can actually stick them in the freezer for like 15 minutes. It's just going to help them hold their shape. So I'm going to use my PK for this cook. You can use any grill you want. You just want a medium to medium high heat, and you can set it up for a 2-zone if you want. On the PK, it's pretty good with these grill grates to go ahead and just set it up for direct cooking. We're going to get our Royal Oak charcoal in our chimney. We've got a tumbleweed here. I'm going to set that down and light that. Put our chimney back on top and let our coals get nice and hot. Coals are starting to get good and hot. We're going to go ahead and dump them in the bottom of our PK. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put some unlit on top just to give us a good amount of burn time. Put our grate in place. Close our lid. We've got our bottom vents about halfway. We're going to set our top about 3/4 of the way. We've got our grill up to temperature. Again, just a medium high heat. Go ahead and get our burgers on. We're going to let them go for about 4 minutes and then give them a flip. First 4 minutes is up. I'm come in here. We'll just give them a little bit of a twist. Close the lid and set the timer for another 4 minutes. That 4 minutes is up, so we're going to kind of flip them over. I'm also going to come in here and just check our temperature, see where they're sitting at. At 120, I'm going to shoot for about 145. We got a little bit of time. We're just going to keep an eye on them, maybe about every 3 or 4 minutes, come out here to check the temperature on them. And then when they get almost done, we're going to put our bacon and our cheese on. So our burgers are just about done. Now I'm going to get 1 piece of bacon each on one. And then a piece of cheddar, bacon, cheese, bacon, cheese, and the last one. I'm going to shut that down. As soon as that cheese is melted nice, it'll be ready to take them off and eat. All right, that right there is exactly what I'm looking for. So I'm going to get them off of here, and we're going to let them rest for just a few minutes. All right, so now all that's left to do is assemble. You can use whatever burger sauce, whatever burger toppings you want. I'm just going to go with a little bit of ketchup, our lid on, and that is our bacon jalapeno cheddar burger. Now we're going to try the taste test. It's good. You get some spice from the jalapeno, saltiness and smokiness from the bacon, flavor from the charcoal. It's a good burger. Thank y'all for hanging out with us today. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video and ring the bell so you don't miss our next videos. And we'll see y'all next time.